Double lot home site. Enjoy all that Lake Livingston has to offer in this gated community. This double lot means you will have plenty of space. Enjoy amenities that include a community boat ramp, clubhouse, and plenty of social activities. In this section of the Holiday Villages community, you can build a home, install a manufactured home, or even use your RV. Enjoy all of the recreational fishing, boating, and water sports opportunities that Lake Livingston and the Trinity River have to offer.